Hey, welcome to my Grok AI Expertise PLR review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful done-for-you video course that lets you start selling your own AI training product, even if you've never created a product before. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to film videos, write content, or hire expensive designers. Just plug in your name, logo, and links, and boom. You've got a high-quality, fully brandable course ready to sell or give away. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, and I'm here to help you find the best strategies and tools to grow online. If that sounds helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Oh, and I've got some exclusive bonuses waiting for you when you grab Grok AI Expertise through my link below. These will help you get even better results. Check the description before they're gone. So, what is Grok AI Expertise? Grok AI Expertise is a fully done-for-you video training course with private label rights, PLR. That means you can rebrand it, resell it, and keep 100% of the profits. It's all about Grok AI. The viral chatbot created by Elon Musk, built into X, formerly Twitter. The course teaches people what Grok is, how it works, and how they can use it. And now you can sell this course as your own. This is perfect for launching your first product online, building your email list with a lead magnet, offering as a high-value bonus, or bundling it with your affiliate promos. It's beginner-friendly, no tech headaches, and most of all, it's in one of the hottest trending niches, AI. Standout features that caught my eye fully done for you. Professional videos, ebook, sales page, graphics, email swipes, all included. PLR license, rebrand, sell, or use it however you want. Hot niche. Grok AI is trending like crazy. Ride the wave while it's hot. Plug and play. No content creation. No video editing. No design work. Build authority instantly. Look like a pro in the AI space, even if you're brand new. How it works. Super simple. 1. Download the files. 2. Add your name, logo, and links. 3. Upload. And start selling or giving it away to grow your list. No technical skills needed. Just follow the training and you're good to go. Let me quickly show you a demo so you can see everything inside the members area.
Hey, answer this quick question. How many AI tools are you paying for right now? ChatGPT for content, Midjourney for images, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Canva for design, Synthesia for videos? Whoa! The list goes on and on. Sounds familiar, right? Well, if you're like most creators, marketers, freelancers, or entrepreneurs out there, you're drowning in multiple AI app subscriptions, juggling between multiple tools, and oops, out of credits pop-ups. Have you ever thought about how much time, money, and effort you're wasting? You're switching between 5 to 6 tools just to complete a single task. Let's take an example. A content creation task that every business owner and marketer performs over and over again. Here's what that usually looks like. You start with ChatGPT to write your blog post, script, or social media content. Then you hop over to Canva to design the visuals. You switch to Leonardo to generate AI-powered images. You use 11 Labs to record voiceovers, then jump into Runway ML or another video tool to animate it all. Finally, you need a separate editing software just to put everything together. By the time you're done, you're mentally drained, and so is your wallet. You're spending $300, $500, even $1,000 a month just to manage what should be a simple process. And the worst part? None of these tools talk to each other. Each tool lives in its own bubble. There's no connection, no synergy. It feels like you are working in silos. And if you try outsourcing, be ready to shell out $500 to $3,000 per project. The harsh reality of managing multiple AI tools is that you end up juggling dozens of logins, subscriptions, and interfaces, paying $500 plus monthly on scattered AI tools, struggling with fragmented workflows and poor quality output, scaling only by spending more money, burning out from decision fatigue, climbing steep learning curves instead of doing real work. At the end of the day, your projects are half finished, your wallet's lighter, and your creativity gone. The list of the real-world problems goes on, and it only gets worse. If you think sticking with multiple AI subscriptions is manageable, here's a reality check. This is how much you're actually paying monthly to access these AI tools separately. Your total monthly cost will be equals $416 per month. And remember, this still doesn't include tools for designing graphics, editing videos, creating ads, deploying chatbots, and automation, and more. If you add those missing tools separately, you could easily cross $500 a month in real-world expenses. Let's be honest. You didn't sign up for this madness. You wanted to save time, to grow faster, to build a brand, to automate your business, to focus on creating what you love, not babysitting tools. But what you got is an AI Frankenstein, a messy, overpriced, disconnected setup. So what's the real solution? Well, I got sick of this too. That's why, after over 6 months of deep R&D, relentless testing, real-world validation, and endless improvements, I finally built an ultimate AI platform that replaces every AI tool you're currently paying for. A platform designed to save you thousands of dollars, cut your workload in half, and let you dominate your niche faster without needing multiple subscriptions, freelancers, or expensive tools. Whether you're building a brand, launching a SaaS, selling services, growing a YouTube channel, starting an agency, or just scaling your business faster, you need just one platform that does it all. Introducing Creative Lab AI, the ultimate all-in-one AI apps platform that instantly unlocks 300-plus premium AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, Midjourney, Runway ML, 11 Labs, and many more, all under one dashboard. Now you can access every AI tool inside one dashboard with 0 monthly fees and no API costs. With the Creative Labs AI in your arsenal, no more juggling dozens of logins, subscriptions, and interfaces. No more paying over $500+ monthly on premium AI tools. No more fragmented workflow and poor quality output. No more learning curves and mastering each AI tool. No more investing in new AI apps every few months. No more AI app usage restrictions. No more AI app downtimes and work delays. No more security, data privacy, and data protection issues. Creative Lab AI is loaded with the powerful features that will help you start, run, and grow your business super fast without burning money on 10+ AI apps or any tech hassles. Let me show you what's inside. All-in-one dashboard with 300+ AI models. Instantly tap into world-class AI engines like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, Perplexity, Kling, 11 Labs, and more. Pay once and unlock access to every AI model forever. 100+ AI content writing tools. Write content that converts strangers into buyers. Write blog articles, video scripts, sales page copies, emails, and ad copies in seconds. No writer's block, no hiring freelancer. You'll get tools like blog post generator, video script creator, sales page copywriter, product description writer, email campaign writer, and 100+ AI-powered writing tools suitable for any content creation task. 50+ AI image generation tools. Turn imagination into scroll-stopping visuals, generate stunning images, face swaps, and much more with a single click. You'll get tools like AI Avatar Generator, Face Swap Generator, AI Image Upscaler, 4K Restoration Tool, Image Remix Tool, and 50+ image generation tools at your fingertips. 50+ AI design and branding tools. Create logos, banners, product mockups, and more without hiring a designer. We've got 50+ design and branding tools inside. Canva-style drag and drop editor, professional headshot maker, Ghibli-style art generator, object remover, 4K graphic generator. With 50+ AI tools, you can design like a pro without any designing skills. 50+ AI video tools. Create professional scroll-stopping videos from text or images in seconds without hiring a video production crew or buying an expensive software, or without any video editing skills. You'll get tools like text-to-video generator with 50+ models, image-to-video animator, AI shorts creator, deepfake generator, video upscaler to HD/4K. No crew, no software, no editing required. We've also got 25 plus AI voice tools and audio editors. Generate lifelike voiceovers, audio tracks, songs, or even podcast intros. We've got text-to-voice too with over 2,000 plus styles, voice cloner, emotion-based voiceover generator, podcast intro maker, noise remover and enhancer, and 25 plus AI audio tools. Wait, we are not done yet. You're also getting these tools inside the Creative Lab AI, 50 plus automation and AI chatbots that lets you automate sales, customer support, and lead generation 24/7. 10 plus AI-powered SEO tools that helps rank your website as well as your videos in Google and YouTube. 10 plus social media marketing tools that lets you plan, create, and post scroll-stopping social media content on every popular social media platform. 10 plus PPC tools that lets you write high-converting ad copies for Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. The list of the AI tools goes on and on. Logo generator, ebook creator, business plan generator, AI task planner, content calendar builder, product description writer, Amazon product toolkit, prompt generator. That's just the tip of the iceberg. With over 300 plus tools under one roof, Creative Lab AI isn't just another software, it's your complete digital business in a box. No more limitations, no more monthly bills, just faster growth, smarter automation, and more time doing what you love. Here's the best part. We've also got built-in commercial license that unlocks limitless monetization opportunities for you. With this limited time feature, you can turn your AI creations into income streams from day one. You can sell your AI creations or offer AI-powered services to sell videos, voiceovers, images, designs, video scripts, blog articles, marketing services, and more. In fact, businesses are looking for these services and are ready to pay handsome fees. Trust us, it's your golden ticket to tap into $747.91 billion AI market, where you can sell your AI creations and keep 100% of the profits. All these 300 plus powerful AI tools and features make Creative Lab AI a must-have tool for every business owner and marketer. From entrepreneurs to agencies, content creators to educators, e-commerce sellers, and beyond. Creative Lab AI gives you everything you need to succeed with AI at your fingertips. No wonder the Creative Lab AI is already trusted by thousands of creators, marketers, and startups worldwide. Whether you're building a personal brand, an agency, or an e-commerce store, this platform helps you grow. Now, here's the craziest part. You must be thinking, how much would it cost you to get your hands on all the 300 plus AI tools? Well, on a usual day, this will cost you over $24,497. But today is your lucky day. All of this power, the models, the tools, the features, you get it all for a low one-time price, not $500 a month, not $97 per month, just $17 one-time fee, no hidden costs, no monthly fees, no API costs. With the Creative Lab AI in your arsenal, you can say goodbye to every other AI tool subscriptions, but you need to hurry because this special deal is only available for a limited time. Once the timer on this page hits 0, pricing goes up. So if you're ready to stop overpaying, if you're ready to build faster, smarter, and stress-free, and if you're ready to own a platform that actually helps you scale, click the button below and grab your access to Creative Lab AI now. You're not just buying software, you're buying back your time, your sanity, and unlocking your full creative potential. Let's build something powerful, and let's do it with Creative Lab AI. Click below to get started now.
Upgrades OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main course for just $12.95, you'll see some optional upgrades. Here's a quick breakdown so you can plan. OTO 1, Advanced PLR Pack. Extra modules and tools to expand the course. OTO 2, Additional Niche Video Course. Another PLR product to double your offers. OTO 3, Membership Trial. $1 trial to access monthly new PLR products. Great for long-term value. OTO 4, Product Creation Service. Let the creators build a custom product for you. $3,000 premium service. You can pick what fits your goals and skip what you don't need. Simple. What I love about Grok AI expertise. Zero product creation stress. A real asset you can sell or give away leverages a trending AI topic, saves weeks of work and thousands in outsourcing. Great for list building, bonus stacking, or launching your own offer. What could be better? Honestly, while it's a solid DFY package, it's not for people who want to build custom content from scratch. If you prefer creating everything yourself, this might feel too templated. But for speed and simplicity, it's perfect. Final verdict, should you get it? If you've been wanting to sell your own product, build an authority brand in AI, or just make affiliate promos stronger, this is your shortcut. You're getting a high-quality video course, done-for-you sales materials, PLR rights, and a chance to tap into the booming Grok AI trend, all for the price of a pizza. Click the link below, grab Grok AI Expertise PLR, and unlock my exclusive bonuses before they disappear. Thanks for checking out my Grok AI Expertise review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tools, strategies, and honest reviews. See you in the next one.